Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Presto card to Apple Wallet. So in order to do that, first of all, simply launch Apple Wallet on your mobile device. Let me simply open Apple Wallet. Here we go. Now once you come here, simply tap on the plus icon that you see at the top right corner of your Apple Wallet's application. Now once you are here, simply tap on the option of Transit Card. Now you can simply search for Presto Card at the search bar. But for now, you can see that Presto Card is not available to Apple Wallet as of now. You can see other various cards available for you to add on your Apple Wallet. However, once Apple Wallet makes Presto Card available, you would be able to add Presto Card to your Apple Wallet. So that's it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.